Hello guys, what's up? This is Paul from Crypto Lifestyle, back with yet another update. This one is about the MATIC printer called MaticStaker, and this one is also pretty huge, guys. So that's good because we were able to join early. Let's see how it is still working and what are the daily earnings for now. Alright, so we are back. Yeah, well, this thing, I didn't expect that it will go so huge. Let's see the contract, almost 2 million, guys. Matic value 1.12 million Matic, over that. Actually, on the balance, it's not total staked, it's on the balance. So yeah, and they have this token airdrop. I guess some people are getting ready for that. You have to invest in silver, gold, on platinum plan, and you'll be getting these tokens in a ratio depending on the plan. You'll be able to swap here. Okay, so they have everything ready. They have a audit, so that's good. That's something I always look at. So, and now look, now the ROI is totally different. For the new people that will come here, they will be rewarded with higher ROI to compensate them for not coming in their first day or second day, right? And I don't have such high ROI here. I had less than 40% ROI, and here is now 74. That's clean profit because the first 100, and there were some questions about it. The first 100% is like your initial deposit. You'll be getting that back in your daily earnings. First, you need to get your deposit back, and then you'll be earning. That's the profit right now if you join right now. Okay, and if you go here, you'll see that you will ROI in 17 days, and if you go here, you'll ROI in 13 days. If you go here, that's 19. Right, guys? But here you'll have the highest ROI. Still, I love the classic. That's my plan, and yeah, I've been enjoying that. And as for the locked plans, which are, well, high risk because they are auto compounding, okay? So we cannot withdraw your daily earnings. You will have to wait for 14 days here to get the total ROI of 170%. The first 100% will be like your deposit. So in total, it will be 270. And you can go here and check the ROI, but you will have to wait for 14 days, and then you'll get the whole 270% from your initial investment. If you're like a risk taker, you want to be rewarded with MSK token, you believe in it, you can go to this one or this one, but I would stick with this one if, well, I would like to participate in the airdrop and still have some kind of safety measures in my strategy. Because, guys, even though these things are, like ROI dapps, there is a strategy to go into these things. Like my strategy is to go into a lot of these things, select them to get the best ones that will hype the most, and join early. That's really simple, actually. So yeah, some people joined. Thank you all for helping me here, because that's like motivating for me, and I'll be able to grow this channel, to do some additional marketing, some airdrops, giveaways. So yeah, it's been good, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in another video. And yeah, remember to join my Telegram. It's been growing, and there will be giveaways on the Telegram. Okay, so have a great day.